Okay, so you put them together, and you go end to end, and then you have to hold it really tight right there. And you need a very, very sharp pair of scissors. And you start like here. These aren't the sharpest, so.
Yeah, those are the worst scissors we got.
Okay, so then you're gonna heat seal it. Be careful not to fry the ends or make them curl, but just enough so they won't unravel for the girls. Okay, and there you go. Then this is your template. This is going to be the center. This is for a 30-inch bow. This is for 26-inch bow. I will write that on the template before I give it to you guys. All right, so you want this to be on the top. So you're going to put this piece, which is in between the vinyl, in the center. Then you're going to fold this end over first. Don't so much worry about the top for now. And you're gonna place it at the 26-inch mark. And you're gonna take the other one on top, and then you're gonna put that at the 26-inch mark. Make sure. Then you're going to hold this point right here, take your centerpiece, line it up with the centerpiece on the mat. Thank you. Then if you look on the back, you can see right at the V is where the center point is. This, you're gonna have to have strong fingers for because it's challenging to hold everything in place. All right, so you're gonna, at the center, you're gonna bend this way. Make your first crease. Make sure you're keeping it nice and tight in the back. Then you're gonna make your second crease. And then you're gonna fold the last piece down. Of course, because I'm on camera, it's gonna fight me. And then you're gonna handle the bottom. So you're gonna make, the smaller your creases, the better it's gonna look. So it's probably gonna take some practice, but, and then you're gonna take a zip tie, feed it through the pony, put it underneath. Then you're going to start the zip tie. And of course I can't get it because I'm on camera. Ah! Okay, maybe we'll do a little bit longer zip tie next time.
I'll help with this one. But we'll have longer. We'll have longer zip ties.
Okay, so you want to put it tight enough to where your folds are not going to unfold, but loose enough to where you can still move around your bow a little bit. So you want to try to get it in the center. You want this folded back underneath there. You see how your pleats are all nice and neat? Okay. The hair tie, I always put the little like glued piece behind the zip tie. And you want it down all the way to the bottom so that the girls, you know, it'll stand up on their head if they want it to. So then once you get all your folds and creases and your bow the way you want it to be, you just puff that up a little bit, pull that down. It takes some finagling to make it look great, and you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so once you're done finagling, you're gonna take it and as tight as you can get it. And then what I do, snip that off, and then I don't like it to hurt the girls' heads, so I want to make sure it's not gonna come off, so I just heat up without burning Rachel's phone, and then just tamp that down. That way it's not a sharp edge, and it kind of helps the zip tie to stay where it's supposed to be. Okay, So then you have a cheer bow. And then you're going to put your middle piece on. So you're going to put a little dab of glue, you know, down there. And hot glue.
Hot glue, right?
Don't burn your finger off. I'm sure you're going to have burned fingers by the time you're done, unfortunately.
So hot glue would go there.
Hot glue would go right here.
Okay.
And then
it'll be finished.
you'd have a cheer bow. And you can, you know, it'll be a little tighter than that because...
Yeah, because of the hot glue.
Mm-hmm. But there you have it.
All right. Excellent. Thank you.